Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I hope you all are doing well. My name is and I welcome you. So here we are going to start our discussions about the important agriculture research institutions in India, and this particular session is very important for all the might have the questions from institutions, important institutions in India. So let's start our discussion. But before proceeding forward, yeah, this is a specific kind of champions sale available on all the regulatory body exams uh, batches available on the application of Oliveboard. So aspirants who are targeting any regulatory exam, they can enroll in their batches with a maximum discount of 49% if they are applying a code of CHAM, right? And apart from that, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the notification of all the classes on time, and as well as you can download application and you can do regular practices of quizzes. You can be updated with about all the related informations for your with our mobile app. Okay, so let's start our discussions about the research institutions in India. So here I'm providing you the list of the research institutions in India and where they are located. So in exam, you might have the questions like at which location or in which city the cattle breeding institution is located. So the right answer will be the Hisar, which is in Haryana. So like that, questions can be asked in your exam, right? So, firstly, let's talk about the research institutions in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So, there are three research institutions in Dehradun, and the name of the institutions are Central Forest Research Institute, right? And Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Indian Institute of Petroleum. So, these are the three institutions which are located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. If we talk about the city Mumbai, so one is Central Institute of Fisheries Education and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. So these two institutions are in Mumbai. If we talk about Haryana, so in Haryana, but in a city that is Hisar, there is one research institute which is primarily specialized with cattle breeding, and the name of the institution is Cattle Breeding Institute. The next is National Dairy Research Institute, and it is located in a city that is Karnal. Okay. Next is let's talk about the research institutions related to agriculture and the related science in Delhi. So here you can see that in Delhi we have the Indian Meteorological Observatory, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, Indian Research Institute, Indian Meteorology, Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, National Institute and Vivigiri National Labour Institute. These institutions in Delhi. Okay. Central Coconut Research Institute. So this particular institution is in Kerala. And if we talk about Nagpur city, so the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, that is also known as the NAABD. Okay. Central Institute for Cotton Research, it is in Nagpur city. Central Fuel Research Institute, it is in Dhanbad. If we talk about Lucknow, National Botanical Research Institute, National Botanical Research Institute in Lucknow. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Medicinal, CMAP, it is in Lucknow. Central Drug Research Institute. Okay, let's talk about the research institute in Himachal Pradesh. So it's Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI. It is in Mukteshwar. Central Potato Research Institute is in Shimla. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, it is in Ijatnagar, UP, Ahmedabad. So there is a very important research institute in Ahmedabad, and the name of the institute is Textile Research Institute. Okay. Then we have Central Sugarcane Research Institute. So Central Sugarcane Research Institute is located in Coimbatore. And then let's talk about Chennai. So Central Leather CL, Central Institute of Brackish Water Agriculture. It is CIBWA. You might have heard about the name of Central Institute of Brackish Water Agriculture. It is in Chennai. National Institute of Ocean Technology. It is also in Chennai. Okay. Now let's talk about the research institute in Karnataka state and the city Mysore. Central Food Technological Research Institute. And next is Central Institute of Virology. It is in Pune, Maharashtra. If we talk about Ranchi, Jharkhand. So there is one research institute which is specifically in lag, or it is related with lag culture. Its name is Indian Lag Research Institute. Okay. Indian Institute of National Gums and Resins. So it is in Indian Institute of National Gums and Resins. It's also Jharkhand, Jharkhand. If we talk about Kolkata, so there is one Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, Central Jute Technological Research Institute, Archaeological Survey of India, and the School of these four research institutes located in Kolkata. Right. Now let's talk about the research institutions in Hyderabad. So there are, I mean, 4 or 5 research institutes which are in Hyderabad city. One is National Geophysics Research Institute. Second is National Institute of Nutrition. Third is Center for Molecular and Cellular Biology. Next is Central Research Institute for Dry Land Agriculture, National Institute of Rural Development. So these research institutes are in Hyderabad city. Okay. High Altitude Research Laboratory is in Gulmarg. Central Building Research Institute is in Roorkee. National Institute of Hydrology, one is in Roorkee and the another is in Belgaum, Karnataka. Okay. Now let's talk about some other important institutions. So here we have a list like Central Scientific Instruments Organization. So it is in Chandigarh. Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute. It is in Bhavnagar. Central Rice Research Institute. It is in Cuttack. National Institute of Oceanography. It is in Panji. National Sugar Research Institute, it is in Kanpur. See, National Sugar Research Institute, it is in Kanpur. Okay. And if you have the question like, um, yeah, Central Sugarcane Research Institute. So, Central Sugarcane Research Institute, it is in Coimbatore. But if you are talking about a specific institute related with sugar research, it is in Kanpur. So don't confuse with the questions if you have the MCQ question related to this particular thing in your exam. Please cross check it, okay? While revising all these things. And Indian Institute of Pulses Research, it is in Kanpur. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, it is in Pune. Textile Research Institute is in Allahabad. Cattle Breeding Institute, it is in Hisar. Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering, it is in Bhopal. Okay. Next is Indian, if we talk about the Indian Institute of Forest Management, IIFM, it is in Bhopal. Indian Institute of Soil Science, it is in Bhopal. Indian Institute of Spices Research, it is in Calicut. Central Leather Research Institute in Adyar. Central Ship and Wool Research Institute, it is in Avikanagar. Central Institute of Freshwater Agriculture, it is in Bhopal. National Institute of Water Sports, it is in Goa. National Institute of Oceanography, other in Kochi, Mumbai, and one visit, and one is in Goa. Okay, so this is a very important, like in which different cities you can see the National Institute of Oceanography. So it is in Kochi, Mumbai, Vizag, and Goa. National Institute of Animal Welfare, it is in Faridabad, Haryana. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, it is in Bareilly. Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, it is in Kochi. National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, it is in Jaipur. Okay. So that's all about the very important research institutions related with agriculture that can be asked in your exam. And before ending today's session, I just want to tell you again that this is offer of 49% is available on all the batches available on application of all if you are applying a CH. So aspirants, if you want to prepare with us, you can enroll in the batches. And one more thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this particular session, please write in the comment box so that I'll continue for you. All the very best and take care.